Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Please don't hesitate to leave a comment, and I do hope you consider subscribing. As usual, I already have these nail tips all buffed and ready to go. I'm going to start with my Model 1's base coat. It's my favorite. I love it. If you haven't tried it, you should. It's awesome. I'm gonna do things a little bit differently. Instead of doing the design and then adding the gems, I'm going to do the gems and then do the design around the gems. I saved this nail for last to show you what I did, and I completely forgot to show the number of the black that I'm using by Model 1's. It's 0629, and I already had it on my palette, so I completely forgot to show you. So sorry about that. I just started drawing the lines around the gems, going along with the shape of how I place them, and then I did the perfecting and how wide I wanted the lines to be after that. So it just made it a lot easier. You can just go line by line and do it however you want, but I just did it this way because I really wasn't sure how wide I wanted the lines to be. So or if I wanted to add any more or what. So it was just kind of winging it for a while. I'm using a base coat, the Model 1's base coat, to put on top of the black because after I cure it, I want it to be sticky because this chrome powder, you usually rub it in and it makes it all kind of like the aurora opalescent or whatever you want to call it, kind of smooth and shimmer and shiny, but I wanted to just pat the chrome powder on it to keep it a little bit grainy. I thought it just looked really cool that way. So that's why I'm using the base coat because it just helps the chrome powder just to stick in place. And then when you go to dust it off, you still have that chrome powder there. And then I follow the next steps that I'm going to show you here in a few minutes. This gorgeous, gorgeous chrome powder is probably the prettiest one I have ever seen, and I have a lot of chrome powders. I don't have any information on this. It's number 5. It's holographic. It's so pretty. I can't say that enough. I did find a set that I will leave a link for down below that the blue looks similar, but it comes in a set of 6, so bonus there. It's not very expensive, and I'm hoping that actually pretty close to this color, if not the same color. So sorry, I don't have any more information, but it did come with a polygel kit that I did a review on, the Model One's red polygel set. So you can check that out. If you want this bad enough, you can just get the kit, whatever. But like I said, I'll leave a link for what I found down below for you. So now it's time to put the top coat on top of the chrome powder. Now this might get kind of tricky. If you can wipe away around the edges of the chrome powder, if you want to take the time to do that, it makes it a lot easier to follow the lines with the top coat. But I didn't do that with all of these. I took the time to do it on this one, but the other ones I just kind of at a glance tried to be careful, did a pretty good job, but it was kind of iffy after wiping the rest away that wasn't covered by the top coat. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, so rather than take the risk, try and get off as much as you can with, a brush and some alcohol. That way you can cover the lines and be sure what it's going to turn out like. I absolutely love how these came out. I'm so excited. I hope you try this. I made a little boo-boo on the side there. I went over the line and I just filed it away and just retouched it. This pinky here, just my advice to you if you do this, it's way easier and it looks better if you use bigger stones because you do a nice fine line around the small ones, but once you get done with the chrome powder and everything else, it kind of takes away from it just loses its detail. So you want to use smaller ones, that's cool, but I, next time I will put a bigger stone, instead of these little tiny ones. So let me know what you think. Please like, subscribe, and share, and thank you so much for watching.